Hey kids, I noticed as I was helping some people to submit their link today, I noticed that they have updated the way you can share and they've made it even easier for you to share. So what you're going to do after you have your map open is you're going to go to this share button over here and you're going to click on share. Now, these are the way your settings should look. You should be able to see anyone with this link can view. If it looks like this, anyone with the link will not be able to view. So make sure you click the button so it says anybody with this link can view. I will be anyone or anybody. And then just click the little double paper thing here. See, link copied. You now have the link copied. All you need to do is go back to Blackboard, go to the Unit 7 folder, go down to the World War II folder, and then find the first, turn it in, submit your World War II map link here. When you click on that, you're going to see the directions, of course, but you're going to see a write submission box. So if you click on the write submission, and then you click inside that box, I get a flashing cursor. I'm almost there. All I need to do now is hit Control and V, and look, the link has appeared. That's all I need to do. Now I just click submit, and I have submitted. Now, of course, for me, since I'm the teacher, my work is really not going to be saved, but for yours, it will. Now, by the way, just one more reminder, once you submit it, make sure that you continue working at it. Okay, remember that, yes, I will still be able to see things that you add after you submit your link. Your link just allows me to view it. But also, I want to remind you, if you have a partner, please make sure that your partner's name is in the box here. If you forget how, just click on the title and then go ahead and write the partner's name in that little description. I should see you and your partner's name there. Please make sure that you have done that. All right. I misspelled lasagna, sorry. Anyways, so yes, now that you have your link submitted, you have your partner's name on there, you can continue to work in your map to get your 30 events completed for next Wednesday. All right, kids, happy hunting. Get that link submitted. Last grade of the third quarter. Won't be accepting it past Friday. Have a good one.